Here we have a lovely little project for somebody. 1974 Honda CT70. It's a semi-automatic monkey bike, very much like the Dumb and Dumber bike. Imagine riding up to Aspen in ski season on one of these with your mate on the back, nuts to butts. Man, that would be bad news. This is a Californian import. I've got the Nova certificate for it to help you register it. But you will need a dating certificate. Thankfully, you don't need an MOT and it's free road tax. This should be a nice, easy project as it's mainly cosmetic. Someone has put a new carb on by the looks of things, but it works great. The exhaust could do with a new exhaust gasket as it is leaking a bit from the head. All the main components are here and in generally good condition, although they do need a little bit of work. The brakes work and she starts and runs great, just like a little Honda 4-stroke should. I've just changed the oil. Amazingly, these tyres are holding air, or they are for the moment anyway. I can't guarantee that they will for too long. The chrome bits will need redoing and you'll need to finish wiring it up. It wouldn't spark when I got it, so I've put a new ignition switch and a wiring loom on, and she now sparks like a good un. I quite fancy keeping it ratty and riding it around on it myself, but we'll just have to see. It's up for sale at the end of the day. There's a new set of tyres with it. They're Chinese, but you know, and it's showing 2,225 miles on the clock. I reckon that's more than likely accurate. Cool little thing, and certainly will be when it's done. Anyway, let's fire it up so you can hear it run or purr. Before I do, it does change gears, but there's no chain on it. So other than that, I can't ride it round at the moment, but if it's here for very long, I'll probably stick one on and have a go. So, the moment of truth. Does she run sweet as a nut or not? Purring like a kitten, like a little Honda 4-stroke should do. Beautiful little thing. Thanks for watching. She's up for sale on phoenixmotos.com and will be on eBay too. Don't forget to subscribe or follow me on whatever channel you watch me on.